Every time you say yes, to avoid disappointing someone, you're quietly saying no. To yourself, to your goals, your health, your peace of mind. Learning to say no isn't selfish. It's how you protect what actually matters. Here's the math nobody tells you. Time is zero-sum. There's no hidden reserve. So when you say yes to a low-priority favor, you're automatically saying no to a high-priority goal. You just don't feel it happen. That's the yes tax. Invisible, automatic, and it adds up. One favor, one meeting, one sure, I can do that at a time. So how do you say no without the guilt? You don't blurt out yes. You buy yourself room. The buffer rule, let me check my schedule and get back to you. The direct redirect, I can't take this on right now, but here's someone who can help. 2 scripts, 0 guilt, full control. Here's the part that surprises people. Saying yes to everything doesn't earn respect. It erodes it. The people who protect their time, those are the ones others respect, most not the ones who always show up. Boundaries don't start fights. They build trust, the lasting kind. Long-term respect, instead of short-term relief. Protect your focus. Reclaim your calendar. Start treating your time like it's the asset it actually is. Because it is.